Hey guys, Everett with Zone Off-Road. Today we're going to talk about U-bolts and why it's good to replace them. So we're going to talk about the importance of replacing your U-bolt and why to replace it. As you can see, like this U-bolt right here, it's all rusted and deformed, and I'm sure it's stretched out from being torqued. So when you put a U-bolt on, you have to torque it to a certain spec. And if you take that U-bolt off, it's junk. It's stretched out. You don't want to re-torque it. And once it comes to that, you can also notice on the threads, like on this one here, they're all messed up. You know, you might as well just replace it. And most of the time you can't even get these nuts off. You have to cut them to replace them and stuff like that. These are just some of the reasons why you should replace your U-bolts. And now we want to move on to finding the right U-bolt for your truck. For the most part, there is three types of U-bolts. Your round, your square, and semi-round U-bolts. So once you figure out what type of U-bolt you need, the next step is measuring it. There's three ways of measuring a U-bolt: your thickness, your length, and your width. Now let's start off with the length. You measure from the center of the U-bolt down to the end of the U-bolt. This one's a 16-inch, and to get the width, you'll measure from the inside thread to inside thread. This one is 4-inch, and I believe this will be a 3/4 inch thickness. So that's how you get your measurement, and you'll need that every time when you call in to get some parts. Now that you got the right U-bolt, after you put the U-bolt on and torque it down to a certain spec that you're provided, you'll have to drive it for 50 to 100 miles, and then you'll have to re-torque it. That's a very important step because over time, sometimes they will loosen up a little bit from the road vibrations and stuff like that. Now when it comes to lifting your truck and you go with a Zone Off-Road kit, you'll have the confidence knowing that you're going to have the right U-bolt to lift your truck properly. If you have any further questions on making sure you get the right U-bolt, give our tech department a call or visit us on zoneoffroad.com.